Good morning, my dear friends. This is my YouTube channel, Balavin Kuran. Friends who are watching this, if you have not subscribed so far, kindly subscribe the channel by pressing the subscribe button and also the bell icon. Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. This is a series of video on the growth and development of India Meteorological Department. We are seeing weather radar series. So we have talked about how radars came into IMD, X-band radars in airports, S-band cyclone detection radars, coastal stations, Doppler weather radars, how rainfall could be estimated from the radar echoes. All these things we were seeing. So today we are going to see what is a dual polarization radar. Why? Now in India we have got dual polarization radars. So let us try to know what is dual polarization. So I have a small right. Let me share it. So weather radar 6 dual polarization radar. I am Dr. K.V. Balasubramanian, retired meteorologist from Chennai. What is the benefits of dual polarization radar? This is actually a slight improvement over the Doppler weather radar. Doppler weather radar, mainly we were having 3 products. One is reflectivity product, Z. Then another is velocity product, because the Doppler weather radar can determine how fast the particles, clouds are approaching towards the antenna or away from the antenna. The third one is the spectral width, which is useful to find the turbulence available in the within the cloud. So this dual polarization radar, this is also a Doppler weather radar category only. What exactly it can give is, it can theoretically improve the accuracy of precipitation estimates. This estimating the precipitation that can occur in another 3 hours or in another 24 hours is always a very technical problem. Even in the month of December 2021, on one particular day, the rainfall over entire east coast has been forecast. Chennai also rainfall has been forecast. The models were showing light to moderate rain only. Satellite pictures, no big cloud mass were found to be moving towards the coast near Chennai. Radar pictures were also not showing much clouds. Suddenly, around 12 o'clock the day, clouds developed and it rained, and 2 particular spots very near to each other, somewhere near the coast, near lighthouse area, they recorded 24 hours rainfall of 20 centimeters and 21 centimeters, and it was Chennai was flooded. Even the state government has written to the central government telling that IMD in Chennai is their instruments are faulty and they are to be replaced like that. And a lot of discussions in TV, newspaper reports, all these things were going on. But okay, now we are having a dual polarization radar in Chennai. How very good our forecast will be depends upon. So what are the benefits of dual polarization radar? Theoretically, it can improve the accuracy of precipitation estimates. We call this as QPE, quantitative precipitation estimate, leading to better flash flood detection. This is very much questionable at this time, even now. It has also the ability to discern between heavy rain, hail, snow, and sleet. In a place like Chennai, hail itself is very rare, snow not possible, sleet not possible. So the purpose of installing a dual polarization radar in Chennai should be to determine the rare phenomena of hail or heavy rain. Then improved detection of non-meteorological echoes like ground cutter, chaff, anomalous propagation, birds and tornado debris and all. So this is tornado debris is very important as far as the US is concerned, because in one particular tornado season, approximately 750 tornadoes formed there. So when the debris was flying along with the tunnel cloud, it is very necessary for them to find out the debris. This dual polarization radar has a technique to determine this, so it is very important to them. Tornadoes are rare. Is available. You cannot say tornadoes are not happening in Tamil Nadu area, but it is rare. This ground clutters here. Very recently, there was a news in a newspaper that Perambur, Chennai, where I am living, somewhere around here, there is a proposal to build 70 floors building. If it is coming, it will be the tallest building in Chennai. Once upon a time, LIC with 14 floors was considered to be the tallest building in the city. It is very difficult to construct tall buildings inside the city because of our radars and also because of the airport. So yeah, this airport people and IMD people, they have put some height restriction for all the buildings in an area of a circle. Okay. So if you are coming in the view of a radar, then you cannot have a building more than this height. So this is the problem. Some years ago, there was an IAS officer telling his name will be wrong here. So without telling his name, I'm telling the information. He said, if you people are putting restrictions on height of the buildings, then how a city like Chennai will go? Then we, the participants are from IMD, we asked him, how do you expect us to forecast weather if you don't follow these restrictions? But he did not agree with us. He removed that restriction, and because of that, now 24 floors, 35 floors buildings are all coming up in Chennai. Sometimes they block the radar view, sometimes they do not block. This is going to be a very big problem for a growing city like Chennai. So these are all the benefits of the dual polarization. Now you are having this reflectivity Z, velocity V, and spectrum width in all Doppler radars. So this we will continue to have in dual polarization radar, but we will have additionally the differential reflectivity, correlation coefficient, specific differential phase. What are these things? Say this. Okay, we will go to the next slide. So this is the conventional radar. The wave will be, the amplitude will be in the horizontal phase. This is the dual polarization radar, where horizontal as well as the vertical phase of the waves will also be going. Two phases are there. So you see, this is the transmit horizontal pulse. Okay. So this will receive the horizontal pulse. After that, next pulse will be the vertical pulse. So this vertical pulse will be received. After this, again horizontal pulse, then vertical pulse. Like this, this will going on. So suppose you have a hail like this. So this will have an idea of the size of horizontal size as well as vertical size of the particle. If it is rain, so they, here what they have shown is a very big shower drop. So you will have the horizontal as well as the vertical dimensions of the drop. So many radars transmit and receive radio waves with a single horizontal polarization. That is the Doppler radars we had, S-band Doppler radars, cyclone detection radars that we had, the coastal stations. Then polarimetric radars transmit and receive both horizontal and vertical polarization. So it can determine the size of the particle, shape of the particle, and variety of the particle. So this is what is available from dual polarization. So now, recently, two X-band indigenously made weather radars were inaugurated on 16th January or 15th January. I do not know. I have put here 16th January by Dr. No, this is 16th January 2020 by Dr. Harshavardhan, Minister of MOES at Mukteshwar and Kurfi in Himachal Pradesh. Again, one C-band radar, which has a coverage of about 450 kilometers around Mumbai, has been inaugurated by Dr. Jitendra Singh, Union Minister of State for Science and Technology and Earth Sciences, and Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray on the occasion of 147th IMD Foundation Day on 16th January 2022, this year. So this C-band radar is commissioned in Mumbai, is fully indigenous, made in India, designed and developed by a team of radar experts from Indian Space and Research Organization ISRO, Telemetry Tracking and Command Network. Totally, this is called as ISTRAC. Indian Space Research Organization. It has been manufactured by Mrs. Data Patents, a company in Chennai. This is very important. So now they have launched 4 radars on January 2022. With this, India, the radars in India will be 33, and IMD plans to install 90 more radars for covering the entire country. A very huge cost, actually. So what are all the new radars that have been installed in that IMD Foundation Day on 16th January 2022 are that C-band radar polarimetric Doppler at Veraval, Mumbai, X-band polarimetric Doppler radar at Hayanagar, New Delhi, X-band polarimetric Doppler radar at NIOT, Pallikaranai, Chennai, then at Leh, Union Territory of Ladakh. So this is the dual polarization radar at Mukteshwar, Himachal Pradesh, which was launched in 2021. This is the Mumbai C-band dual polarized Doppler radar at Veraval. This is the X-band dual polarized Doppler radar at NIOT, Chennai. So, my dear friends, this from X-band radars at airports, we have brought S-band radars for cyclone detection. Then Doppler weather radars. Now dual polarization radars. So this is the growth and development of the meteorological department. In between, 2 private radars, semi-permanent. They can be dismantled and installed anywhere else. Have functioned in Karnataka for cloud seeding purpose, operated by a company. So such things are also going on. There are plans to try to bring mobile radars, which can be moved to, say, let us imagine we have a mobile radar at Chennai, and we come to know that yes, a cyclonic storm is likely to pass somewhere near Kadalur. This mobile radar can be sent to Kadalur and observation can be taken. So such plans are also going on, but this involves a lot of money. Contracts are to be negotiated, but the present government, we are thinking of manufacturing everything indigenously in India. So if this works, we may have very good number of radars in our radar. Thank you very much.